Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Building truly autonomous AI agents has long been a goal of artificial intelligence research, and with the release of the OpenAI Agent SDK, that goal is now within reach for developers. This powerful toolkit provides a streamlined Python-based framework for treating AI systems that can independently reason, plan, and take action to accomplish complex multi-step tasks. This guide provides an overview of the OpenAI Agent SDK, its core components, and a practical guide on how to build autonomous AI agents. What is the OpenAI Agent SDK? The OpenAI Agent SDK is a Python library that abstracts away the complexity of building sophisticated AI agents. It provides a set of core primitives, agents, tools, handoffs, and guardrails that allow you to build reliable, scalable, and safe agentic applications without having to manage the intricate logic of the agent loop from scratch. It's a production-ready revolution of OpenAI's previous agent experimentation. Now, these are some of the core components of the SDK. Understanding these fundamental concepts is key to building with the SDK. First, we have agents, the brains of your application. An agent is a large language model, that is LLM, configured with a specific set of instructions and a toolbox of capabilities. We also have tools, the hands of your agent. Tools are external functions or APIs that the agent can use to perform actions. The SDK allows you to turn any Python function into a tool with automatic schema generation, making it easy to connect your agent to databases, web APIs, or internal systems. We also have another core component, which is handoffs, the ability for agents to delegate tasks to other specialized agents. This is a powerful feature for building complex multi-agent workflows. For example, a customer service agent could handle initial queries and then hand off a technical problem to a technical support agent. We also have guardrails, the safety and reliability layer. Guardrails are checks that can be run on both the input and output of an agent. They help prevent unsafe outputs, validate data, and ensure the agent's behavior aligns with your business rules. We also have runner, the orchestrator that manages the entire process. The runner executes the agent's logic, handles tool calls, manages conversation history, and can stream responses back to the user. Now, this is a practical guide to building an AI agent. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started building a simple agent that can answer math questions. The first step is environment setup and installation. First, you need to set up your Python environment and install the SDK. Bash, hash, create a new directory and navigate into it. We also have this one, this mkdir my dash agent dash project. Just type this Python code here, the way you see. Just pause in here so that you can copy this exact code the way you see. The second step is to now define a tool. Let's create a simple tool that our agent can use. We'll build a Python function that uses a search API to find information. We have Python here, the way you see, we have this code. Now, after you have that, just copy here to your IDE. After you have all that, we are going to the third step where you can create the agent and run a task. Now we will create an agent that can use the tools we have defined. We have already defined the tools using the code above. Now we also have this code to create the agent and also run a task. Just copy it and also pause and also follow along. You'll get to the code inside here, this site. When you run this script, the agent will analyze the prompt, realize it needs to use both the search underscore web and calculate tools, and provide a single coherent response. These are some of the key takeaways now for building with the SDK. Start simple. Begin with a single agent and a small set of tools. Only add complexity, e.g. handoffs to other agents when your problem requires it. Also, focus on instructions. The quality of your agent's behavior is directly tied To the clarity and specificity of your instructions, use a descriptive system prompt to define its role, constraints, and how it should use its tools. Also, leverage guardrails. Don't assume the AI will always follow your rules. Implement guardrails to ensure outputs are safe, accurate, and adhere to your business logic. Another key thing is to enable tracing. The SDK comes with built-in tracing that allows you to visualize the agent's thought process, including what tools it decided to use and why. This is an invaluable tool for debugging and optimizing your agent's performance. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.